In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide archived chat in Telegram. If you want a cleaner, more focused chat list. Hiding the archived chats folder is a simple way to reduce visual clutter without deleting anything. Your conversations stay exactly where they are. You are just moving that folder out of the main view so you can concentrate on what's most important. Start by opening Telegram on the device you are using. You'll know you are in the right place when you see your usual chat list. The item we're working with is the archived chats folder. It typically appears near the top of your chat list when you have conversations that you've archived. If you don't see it, that usually means there aren't any archived chats at the moment, and the option to hide it may not appear until you do have some. On desktop, look to the left sidebar where your chats are listed. Find the archived chats folder, then right-click it. In the menu that opens, select Move to Menu. The moment you choose that, the folder disappears from your main chat list. You haven't lost anything. You've simply relocated the folder to Telegram's menu, keeping your chat list tidy. This makes your everyday conversations easier to scan at a glance, while your archived items remain safely stored and accessible when you need them. On mobile, the process is just as quick. Open Telegram and go to your chat list. Press and hold on the Archived Chats bar until a small menu appears. Then tap Hide from Chat List. As soon as you do, the folder will no longer show in the main list. Just like on desktop, you are not deleting or muting anything, you are only hiding that entry. So the primary view stays uncluttered. A couple of helpful notes as you do this. Hiding the archived chats folder doesn't change the content of your chats or their history. It simply removes the folder from the main chat list and places it in the app's menu so you can get to it when you choose. The wording of the option may vary slightly depending on your platform or app version. But look for the same idea: moving or hiding archived chats from the chat list. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.